Community partners like yourselves play an important role in helping the Safe Mobility for Life Coalition educate aging road users in Florida on how to stay safe and mobile for life. We thank you for your interest in our program. The Safe Mobility for Life Coalition is made up of a diverse group of member agencies and organizations from different backgrounds, including transportation, law enforcement, higher education, healthcare, licensing, and aging services. All have a vested interest in the safety, access, and mobility of Florida's aging road users. We have created a proactive, data-driven approach based on the FDOT's Florida Transportation Plan and Strategic Highway Safety Plan. At the state level, our target is zero fatalities and serious injuries on our roadways. We define an aging road user as anyone 50 years of age or older, with a specific focus on those 65 years of age or older. However, we do encourage every driver to prepare for their transportation future. Road users are not just drivers. The term road user also includes passengers, pedestrians, transit riders, bicyclists, motorcyclists, and operators of non-motorized vehicles. Florida's counties are seeing a rise in the number of aging road users because Florida's aging population is on the rise. By 2045, it is estimated that 1 in 4 people in Florida will be over the age of 65. While drivers 65 and older tend to be involved in fewer crashes than any other age group, they are at greater risk of fatalities or serious injuries if involved in a crash. The goal of the Safe Mobility for Life Coalition is to improve the safety and mobility of Florida's aging road users by eliminating fatalities and reducing serious injuries while maintaining their safe mobility and connection to the community. In all 67 Florida counties, the Safe Mobility for Life Coalition works to educate older adults on actions they can take to be safe and mobile. Together, with the help of coalition members and community partners like you, we believe we can achieve this goal. Positive messaging is the central theme in our education. Research suggests that positive messaging helps older adults pay attention to and remember information more so than negative messaging. This helps you connect with your audience on a more meaningful level. When speaking with older adults, it is important to show compassion. If you demonstrate you genuinely care about the topic, they will too. Empower them by pointing out what is in their control. Encourage them by focusing on their successes and progress. And make it personal. Tell stories rather than listing facts. This will help make the message more relatable. Even though we are all aging, some people might feel that our message does not apply to them and may think, I'm a safe driver, I don't need to think about using other options. The truth is, having a plan in place before you need it is key to a successful transportation future. And when you're talking to older adults or anyone, your voice and tone can go a long way in helping to get your message across successfully. Avoid using labels, but if you must, use older adults or aging road users. And use we language as much as possible. This helps prevent the us versus them dynamic and keeps people engaged with our message. Place the focus on the individual by using person-first language. Empower your audience with information and tools. And use positive language as much as possible. Avoid using negative words or scare tactics and labeling the audience as seniors or the elderly. One of the biggest concerns that many older adults have is that they will be stuck at home if they can no longer drive their personal vehicle. We emphasize the importance of planning for their transportation futures by creating a comprehensive transportation plan that keeps them safe, mobile, and independent whether they're driving or not. The Safe Mobility for Life Coalition encourages people to embrace the keys to achieve safe mobility for life. To take control of their transportation futures, we need to understand the impact aging has on driving, be proactive about safe driving skills, and plan for a safe transition from driving. These 3 keys are the building blocks to achieving mobility independence. They allow us to take a layered, well-rounded approach to addressing our challenge, opening the door for a more productive and positive conversation with older adults. We emphasize these throughout all of our resources and materials. The Safe Mobility for Life Coalition has developed a variety of free resources and printed materials to help us reach our goal. Visit safemobilityfl.com/resourcecenter.htm, where you can find all our most popular materials. Florida's Guide to Safe Mobility for Life is a workbook developed to educate Floridians on how to achieve mobility independence even beyond the driver's seat. The guide provides detailed information on the keys to achieve safe mobility for life and contains directory information for state and local resources like transit agencies, tax collectors' offices, and more. The guide is available for free in a variety of formats. Get it as a hard copy, or as a PDF, as an ebook for Apple and Android, or you can get it through Florida's library system. It is available in both English and Spanish in all these formats. Our bilingual, postage-paid mail-in request card packets contain tear-off cards that are easy to store and distribute. Recipients may simply fill out their information on the front, place the postage-paid card in their mailbox, and a copy of the guide will be mailed from our resource center directly to the address provided. Additional printed materials include information on how to safely bike, walk, and use public transit, transportation network companies, and golf carts. Brochures to help road users keep up with roadway changes, new traffic laws, and helping them navigate new roadway features with confidence. Our Families and Caregivers brochure, which offers tips on the do's and don'ts to approaching and starting the conversation about safe driving with an older adult. And the How to Find a Ride Florida tip card, available in English and Spanish, that walks readers through how to use the findarideflorida.org website, a key resource to helping people find transportation options in their regions. The SafeMobilityFL.com outreach page contains digital resources to help promote messaging and safety information through online channels. Digital resources include YouTube videos, which include PSAs covering a variety of topics supporting older adults and transportation. A series of educational safety graphics that can be shared on social media, websites, and in presentations to educate your communities about various transportation topics. The latest editions of the Safe Mobility for Life Insider newsletter, available for free in both print and digital formats. And toolkits with digital resources for social media, newsletters, and websites. You can also find specialized resources for those who interact with older adults, including healthcare providers, engineers and planners, families and caregivers, and more. To download digital versions of our materials and order print copies, visit the Safe Mobility for Life Resource Center by going to safemobilityfl.com and clicking the Access Materials button on the homepage. You can also order materials by emailing the Resource Center directly at contact@safemobilityfl.com or calling our toll-free number 1-833-930-2952. The Safe Mobility for Life Coalition offers several workshops designed for older adults and can be customized for your community. The Keys to Achieve Safe Mobility for Life workshop covers the 3 keys outlined in our Florida's Guide to Safe Mobility for Life and lays the foundation for what it means to be safe and mobile for life. The Safe Walking for Life workshop, developed in collaboration with Alert Today Florida, teaches the benefits and risks of walking as a form of transportation and how to mitigate those risks to increase safety. The Safe Transit for Life workshop, developed in partnership with the Florida Public Transportation Association, educates riders and increases the use of public transit among older adults. It includes a trip on the area's local transit to a nearby destination for real-time riding experience. The Safe Bicycling for Life workshop was developed by the Florida Traffic and Bicycling Safety Education Program and teaches safe cycling through in-class instruction and an on-bike skills course taught outside. Community partners play an important role in educating and communicating a positive message to Floridians in their own communities. With you as a community partner, we look to build mutually beneficial relationships with organizations and community groups that are already talking with our audience. Connect partners with the tools available to educate their communities about the 3 keys to achieve safe mobility for life, and engage with older adults at a local level through workshops and events. Everyone is welcome to be a community partner, from agency or organization representatives to members of the community who are passionate about safety. Your level of participation is up to you. Here are some examples of ways you can provide support. Distribute materials through existing roles. If you already work with aging road users in another capacity, you can distribute Safe Mobility for Life materials as well. Staff a table at local events to distribute materials and discuss resources. If you prefer not to participate on your own, you can support existing coalition members at local events and workshops. Share online information through social media, newsletters, and websites. Showcase Safe Mobility for Life resources in your public spaces with one of our posters or banner stands. And after signing our community partner agreement, you can submit bulk material requests through the Resource Center and distribute these materials in your community. It's that simple. Community partners also have access to exclusive display materials, toolkits, and will receive regular communications with the latest updates and resources. On the Community Partner page of the Safe Mobility for Life website, you'll find the Community Partner Handbook, which includes an overview of the Safe Mobility for Life Coalition, forms, and frequently asked questions. Links to online workshops and booth request forms. What are your next steps? Complete the Community Partner Agreement. Order and distribute materials from the Resource Center. Share our safety messages online, on social media, or your website. And stay tuned for quarterly updates with the latest on new resources and materials available to you. Thank you for taking the time to review this video and choosing to become a Safe Mobility for Life community partner. We are here to support you in your efforts to help Floridians remain safe, mobile, and independent for life. If you have any questions, please email us at contact@safemobilityfl.com.